Ever wished you had a crystal ball to predict stock market movements? While that remains a fantasy, savvy investors use tools to gain an edge. One such tool is the Supertrend indicator, a powerful technical analysis technique. In this essay, we'll unlock the secrets of the Supertrend and explore how it can help you make informed trading decisions. But that's not all. Read till the end for a surprise worth 21,000 rupees, designed to boost your investing journey. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding how the Supertrend can complement your investment strategy. So, are you ready to dive in? The Supertrend indicator is like a compass, guiding you on the direction of the trend. It helps traders navigate the often turbulent waters of the stock market with more confidence and precision. It's a trend-following indicator plotted on a stock's price chart, providing a clear visual representation of the market's current direction. Think of it as a moving average with a twist, offering more nuanced insights into market behavior. The Supertrend indicator generates buy and sell signals, which are crucial for making informed trading decisions. It tells you when to enter and exit trades based on the prevailing trend, helping you maximize your profits and minimize your losses. A buy signal occurs when the indicator crosses below the price, indicating a potential upward trend. Conversely, a sell signal occurs when the indicator crosses above the price, suggesting a downward trend. The Supertrend considers two key factors: price and volatility, making it a robust tool for traders. This makes it more sensitive to market movements than a simple moving average, allowing for quicker and more accurate responses to market changes. Ready to see it in action? Let's dive deeper into how you can leverage the Supertrend indicator to enhance your trading strategy and achieve better results. Let's bring the Supertrend to life with real-world examples. We'll use stocks from the Nifty 50 index, a benchmark for the Indian stock market. Take Reliance Industries, for instance. Imagine you saw the Supertrend indicator generating a buy signal. You decide to buy the stock. As the price rises, the Supertrend indicator acts as a trailing stop loss, locking in your profits. Similarly, consider Infosys. The Supertrend indicator flashes a sell signal. You sell your Infosys shares, avoiding a potential downturn. These are just simple illustrations. The Supertrend can be applied to any stock, not just Nifty 50 companies. While the Supertrend is a powerful tool, it shouldn't be used in isolation. Remember, technical analysis is just one piece of the puzzle. Fundamental analysis is equally crucial. This involves evaluating a company's financial health, management, industry position, and future prospects. For example, before buying Reliance Industries based on a Supertrend signal, you'd also analyze their financials. You'd check their revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. Combining technical and fundamental analysis gives you a holistic view of the market. Section 5. TradingView Insights. Putting it all together. TradingView is an excellent platform for technical analysis. It offers a wide range of indicators, including the Supertrend. On TradingView, you can plot the Supertrend indicator on any stock chart. You can adjust the indicator settings to suit your trading style. For example, you can change the time period or the multiplier used to calculate the Supertrend. TradingView also offers a wealth of data and tools for fundamental analysis. You can access financial statements, analyst ratings, and news feeds. By combining the power of TradingView with the Supertrend indicator, you can make more informed trading decisions. Section 6. Supertrend Strategies, Riding the Trend Waves. The Supertrend is versatile and widely used in the trading community. Traders use it in various strategies, from day trading to swing trading, adapting it to different market conditions and time frames. One popular strategy is to buy when the price crosses above the Supertrend line and sell when it crosses below. This method is straightforward and helps traders identify potential entry and exit points. This strategy aims to capture the meat of a trend, allowing traders to ride the wave of price movements and maximize their gains. Another approach is to use the Supertrend as a trailing stop loss. This technique is particularly useful in volatile markets where price swings can be significant. This helps lock in profits and minimize losses, providing a safety net for traders as they navigate the ups and downs of the market. As the price moves in your favor, you adjust your stop loss to the Supertrend line, ensuring that you protect your gains while giving the trade room to grow. Remember, no strategy is foolproof. Market conditions can change rapidly, and what works today might not work tomorrow. It's vital to backtest any strategy before implementing it with real money. Backtesting allows you to see how the strategy would have performed in the past, giving you confidence in its potential future performance. Educate yourself continuously and stay updated with market trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. Engage with the trading community to share insights and strategies. Collaboration can lead to new ideas and improved trading techniques. With the right approach and mindset, you can ride the trend wave successfully and achieve your trading goals. Section 7. Risk management. Protecting your profits. Trading always involves risk. The Supertrend indicator can help manage this risk, but it's not a magic bullet. Always use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order automatically sells your stock if it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The stock market is unpredictable. Be prepared for losses, especially when starting. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of assets to spread out your risk. Section 8. The 21,000 rupee surprise, your gateway to success. You made it! This is not just a reward, but a stepping stone to a brighter future in the world of stock trading. Your dedication to understanding the stock market is commendable. You've shown resilience, curiosity, and a keen interest in mastering the complexities of trading. As promised, here's your reward: a golden opportunity to further your education and skills in stock trading. A chance to win a scholarship worth 21,000 rupees for an advanced trading course. This course is meticulously designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge and practical skills. This course will delve deeper into technical indicators like the Supertrend, risk management strategies, and much more. You'll learn how to analyze market trends, make informed decisions, and manage risks effectively. It's designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to navigate the stock market confidently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this course will enhance your trading acumen. To enter the scholarship draw, simply subscribe to our newsletter. This is your chance to stay updated with the latest market trends and insights. You'll receive valuable market insights, trading tips, and exclusive offers directly in your inbox. Our newsletter is packed with information that can help you make smarter trading decisions. Click here to subscribe and unlock your potential. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to advance your trading career and achieve financial success. Section 9. Key takeaways. Mastering the Supertrend. Let's recap the key takeaways from our exploration of the Supertrend indicator. The Supertrend is a powerful tool for identifying and capitalizing on market trends. Combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis for a well-rounded investment strategy. Platforms like TradingView provide valuable data and tools for using the Supertrend effectively. Implement risk management techniques like stop-loss orders and diversification to protect your investments. Section 10. Join the journey. Subscribe for exclusive insights. Congratulations on taking this step towards mastering the stock market. Remember, knowledge is power, and continuous learning is key to success in the world of investing. Subscribe to our newsletter today and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about financial growth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to win the 21,000 rupee scholarship and gain access to exclusive trading insights. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.